Hey, this is Garrett with Yoli Equipment, and today we're talking all about removable hip belts. So if you've had questions, we've got answers. Stay tuned. Our removable hip belt enables you to move the hip belt up or down the torso according to your sizing needs. The first step of removing the hip belt for replacement is undoing the stabilizer straps on the outside of the hip belt. To detach the hip belt from the pack, simply loosen the webbing through the stabilizer strap tab until it is completely free and removed from the back panel. There is Velcro in between the hip belt and the backpack. Wave both hands and palms facing down in opposite directions between the pack and hip belt Velcro attachments to release the Velcro. Once you have the hip belt released from the Velcro of the backpack, simply pull it out. When replacing the hip belt, make sure the pockets are facing upwards with the zippers on top and the cushion side facing the same way as the back panel. Insert the hip belt through the opening until you find the Velcro on both sides. Make sure that you don't stop too early, otherwise you're not going to have an even fit and the pack will not function properly. Make sure you adjust the hip belt to be perfectly centered on the Velcro. You'll notice both sides of the pack sticking out the same amount. Next, firmly press onto the back panel to secure the Velcro. Put some weight into it to ensure the Velcro is fully attached. You really want to lean into this one. Lastly, simply restring the stabilizer straps near the hip belt. An added benefit of our removable hip belt system enables you to switch out hip belt sizes should you lose weight or gain weight over time. You can swap out any of our sizes with any of our packs.